Good morning, everyone. So again, welcome to financial services class. Last class, we have seen the meaning and we have started the features of financial services. So we'll continue the features today. Okay. Last class, we have seen customer oriented, people based, dynamic, perish in nature. These four, I believe you have kept remember at least the point. Okay. Now we'll go for the further. Very first is for the day, varieties. Now take the simple example of your own life. We love varieties in food. Same day we can't have the same food. Every day we can't have the same food as it got bored or we never get the level of satisfaction for what we are searching. Similar thing happens with your financial services also. Okay. In terms of financial services, if the financial institution want to cover maximum number of customers, want to provide them the best level of satisfaction, then they have to provide the varieties of financial services, because each customer is not going to have the same level of preference and the expectations and the requirement, the main thing. Okay, take an example. Just suppose two banks are there, bank A and bank B. Okay, one bank is having a only saving account facility and bank B is having a saving account and current account facility. So just in a simple term, I hope you can understand. Bank A definitely will have a less number of customers and bank B will have the more number of customers. Reason is what? Bank A is having only a saving account facility. That is, we have by hearted from the very few times, okay, that saving account is for the who are salaried peoples who want to save the part of their salary at the end of the month, but that doesn't suited for the business people who want to go for a maximum number of transactions, who have the transactions involved heavy or huge amounts. So in that terms, what happened that we need a current account also. Things what happened because the customer requirement changed. Saving account customers, salaried people; current account customers, business people. Bank B will have the current account peoples also and saving account peoples also. Definitely maximum number of customers coverage and more satisfaction. So if you also being a financial institution want to cover the maximum customers and satisfaction, you have to provide the varieties. Now, next we have in the same line involvement. Involvement means consumption. Okay. Without consumption, services go useless. Okay. If nobody is ready to consume your service, then what is the use of it? You can't survive in the market because the consumption of your services by the customers assure about your regularity, assure about your continuity in the market. I hope you have heard about the Atal Pension Yojana, okay, which got launched in the 9th May 2015, okay, and they have announced very nicely on the Google that the growth rate, that is consumption rate, okay, that means the maximum number of customers or maximum numbers of people are getting involved in that. They are doing their Atal Pension Yojana scheme, they are utilizing it, and on the 9th May 2020 that they have completed 5 years. Okay, on that day they had the total number of enrollment 2.23 crore. So that shows that something good is there in your services, and because of that goodness, people are ready to consume it. Other pension yojanas are also there, but when we are able to say that Atal Pension Yojana is having a 2.23 crore enrollment and others still some small amounts, that means consumption level. Okay, consumer money, you have to also get involved. Customers have to also get the involvement. If customers are worried about their own money, then only financial institution is also going to take care of it. So involvement is must and should. For regularity, continuity, okay, you have to make sure. Then next we have intangibility. We can't measure in a perfect terms, okay, but we can feel. Now take a simple thing, okay. If somebody is going to tell you, are you happy? You will say, yes, I am happy. So if I'll tell you, please tell me in a quantity terms, okay? Like how many kgs? Are you able to explain? Or are you able to express actually in terms of kgs? Definitely not possible. Okay? It is something which is intangible, which you can experience, which you can feel, which you can enhance, but you can't measure in a proper terms. Okay? Now, when financial institution we used to talk, financial institution have to make sure that proper blend of good things should be in their services, because we say nowadays it's a competitive global market where you have to create your brand image, you have to maintain your brand image. And how to maintain the brand image? For maintaining the brand image, you need to have the good relationship with the target market. Here the target market, your consumers who are ready to consume your financial services. And for that, what you have to do, you have to win the confidence of the customers by focusing on the quality of your service. And how to provide the quality service? You have to be sincere with your behavior. Very simple thing. When any client, when any customer is entering to your financial institution branch, entering to your office, make sure you are going to welcome with the smile, gentle smile. I'm not saying to laugh too much and become a very fool person. No, a gentle smile, a normal hello or warm welcome. Okay, that definitely it doesn't charge you or it doesn't cost you anything, but it used to enhance your brand image. It used to help you to get a good customers and maximum number of customers, because definitely that customer will, the person to whom you have welcomed very nicely, welcome doesn't mean you have to go for a red carpet or you have to go flowers. I'm not telling those things, please. Okay, don't get confused or don't get mixed up. Just simple thing is normal smile, a good morning or good afternoon, and then simply ask, simple ask that what you actually want, how I can help you, or how can we help you, which type of services you want. Just be sincere with your behavior, because your behavior is going to impact on their mind. Okay. Same time, be consistent on our medias. Very nicely, so many institutions are there, financial institutions are there who are having a different slogans. We care for our customers, we are here for you, or we are faithful. So whatever you are delivering the message in your media channel, make sure the same experience you are going to provide to your customers, because if they will have the same experience what you are telling in the message, then only your brand image will be perfect. Be focused, be intentional to value the time and money of your customers. That will only make sure about your brand image, which is intangible. Okay. Then next we have fluctuation in demand due to monetary policy, or due to your income level, or due to your expectations and preference, or due to your economics conditions. Okay, these all are the some examples which is to definitely affect the demand level of financial services in the market. Very easy simple example right now. At present, COVID-19 situation is going on. People are suffering a lot. Business is suffering. The companies are suffering. And yeah, same is having all the impact on what? Stock market. Less investment, because we know we don't have a savings too much to invest. So a simple situation, okay? A simple thing, COVID-19, definitely we are not able to see it with the open eyes. But that is impacting on your income level, on your expectation, preference, economic condition, and fluctuation in demand happening of your financial services. Okay, then move further. Proactive. Don't wait for something to happen. Just make it to happen. Okay, don't wait for that when it will happen. Then I'll think how to manage it or how to control it. Just go on, please. Be ready in advance. Because nowadays it is the era where we have over risk and compliance challenges, over risk due to the online payment things. Nowadays, too much of online, each and everything involved your online transactions. And online transactions, we know very well, involve the risk. Okay. And for that, if I'm not wrong, each and every bank, whoever used to provide you the online banking facility, they time to time, they used to send you messages, or they used to educate you with the different, through the different medias, that kindly don't share your password, pin numbers, user IDs with anyone, just to making sure that there should be a less risk. You should not, it should not happen that you forget all those things and you shared your password and pin number with everyone and you became the victim of Jamtara. There's nothing. And I hope you know the Jamtara. If you don't know, you can search on the Google. Okay. So now next, we'll move massive network. When you say as a financial institution who are involved in the providing the financial services, you want to increase your reach. You want to serve maximum customers. You want to provide maximum satisfaction to your clients. You want to improve your own profitability. And these all are possible by expanding the channels. You have to expand your channel. You have to make your network broad. Okay. Because now, again, we can take the example. Suppose I have accounts in a 3 bank. Okay. A, B, C. Fine. 3 bank accounts. One bank is having a mobile banking with the user friendly, okay, the word user friendly mobile banking app. Definitely, I will love to go for bank A. Okay, I will use, and as the mobile banking app of that particular bank is user friendly, so I'll do maximum transactions with that only. Okay, bank B, they are also having the mobile banking app, but not too much user friendly. I will love to avoid it. Okay. Another bank C, no mobile banking facility. I know it's very hard nowadays. Each and every bank is having, but just an example. Okay. No mobile banking facility, no mobile banking app. So maybe my number of transactions with that bank will be restricted just on the basic requirements. For what I have the account in the bank, for that only I'll go, and remaining all I'll do with the banking. Reason was what? Their network is proper, they are having a good mobile banking app with the user friendly techniques. So small things, we say mobile banking, it's okay, but it's not okay. When you want to cover maximum customers, very far each and every corners, you have to make sure about your massive branch network. For example, you can take the HDFC Bank. They are well known for the wide ATM coverage. They are having a maximum ATM coverage in the India as per the Google source, not me. Okay, as per the Google source. So these all things which make your financial services special. Okay, quickly we will go for the review. Okay, review what? Financial services, quickly I'll revise. Financial services, any services provided by the financial institution in the nature of finance help you to money management. And features are customer oriented. You have to provide each and every services, or while launching your any services, you have to keep in your mind what are the customers expectations, and according to that only you have to work. And then it should be people based. You need a proper human resource for that. And then it should be dynamic in the nature. Time to time you have to keep on changing as per the requirement of market. It is perish in nature. Whenever demand is there, you have to supply it. You can't store it. Varieties you have to provide. You have to make sure lots of varieties are there as per the expectations of your various target market customers. Involvement, your involvement and customer involvement both is required for the